Unity is Strength. An original learning story inspired by the Tamil value phrase, Ottrumaiye Balam, which means unity is strength. One Monday morning, 4 friends walked into their school library before class. Arjun loved history books. Kavya enjoyed drawing. Meena liked organizing things. Farhan could make almost anyone laugh. They had come to choose books for a reading circle, but the little reading corner looked untidy. Books were stacked in the wrong places. Cushions were scattered. A low table had dusty marks from an art activity. Some younger children were standing nearby, unsure where to sit. The friends looked at one another. "We could make this corner welcoming again," said Kavya. Everyone had an idea. Arjun wanted to sort the books first. Kavya wanted to make colorful handmade bookmarks. Meena wanted to wipe the table and arrange the cushions. Farhan wanted to invite the younger children to help choose a reading spot. For a moment, all 4 spoke at once. Each idea was useful, but the voices became confusing. Farhan stopped and smiled. "Maybe this is our first problem to solve together," he said. Meena agreed. "Let's listen to every idea before we choose a plan." They sat around the table with a blank sheet of paper. One by one, each friend explained their idea. Arjun said, "If we sort the books, everyone can find them." Kavya said, "Bookmarks will help readers remember their pages." Meena said, "A clean, comfortable space helps people want to stay." Farhan said, "The younger children should feel welcome too." When they finished, the group noticed something important. Their ideas did not compete. They fit together. The friends made a plan with small jobs, and every job had value. Arjun began by grouping books carefully. He checked titles and returned them to the right shelves. Kavya used plain paper, safe craft supplies, and her own designs to make simple bookmarks with bright patterns. Meena wiped the table with a soft cloth and placed the cushions in a neat circle. Farhan spoke with the younger children. "Would you like this corner to be quiet, colorful, or both?" he asked. The children answered happily. Farhan listened and helped them choose a cozy spot near the window. Soon a small disagreement appeared. Kavya wanted the bookmarks on the table so everyone would see them. Arjun thought the table would look crowded. For a second, both looked frustrated. Meena did not choose a side quickly. She asked, "What are we both trying to do?" Kavya said, "Help readers." Arjun said, "Keep the space easy to use." Farhan suggested a basket beside the cushions. Everyone paused, then smiled. The basket kept the table clear and made the bookmarks easy to find. Listening helped them discover a better answer than either first idea. As the morning went on, the reading corner changed. The books stood neatly on the shelves. The cushions made a soft circle. The bookmark basket sat beside the window. Younger children entered, chose books, and began reading together. One child looked at the friends and said, "Did one person do all this?" Arjun pointed around the room. "No. Everyone helped in a different way." Kavya added, "Different skills made the corner better." The younger children nodded. They could see that teamwork was not about being exactly the same. It was about using different strengths for one shared goal. Their teacher came in and asked what they had learned. Farhan said, "We learned a Tamil value phrase, Ottrumaiye Balam." The teacher asked what it meant. Meena answered, "Unity is strength." Arjun explained, "It does not mean everyone must have the same idea. It means we respect each person, listen carefully, and work towards something good together." Kavya said, "When we listened, we found a plan that was stronger than one person's plan." Their teacher smiled. That is a wise lesson for a library, a classroom, a family, and a community. Before leaving, the friends made one more promise. They would not wait for a big problem before working together. They could cooperate when choosing a game, helping at home, sharing classwork, or welcoming someone new. They also knew teamwork needed kindness. A good team does not shout down quiet voices. A good team asks, "What do you think?" It gives credit. It shares responsibility. And when there is a disagreement, it searches for a fair solution instead of trying to win. The reading corner remained a favorite place in the school. Children used the cushions, borrowed books, and picked up bookmarks. Whenever the 4 friends passed by, they remembered how a messy corner became a welcoming space. The lesson stayed with them. Unity is strength. When people listen, respect one another, and combine their different skills, small helpful actions can become something wonderful. The next time you work with others, remember Ottrumaiye Balam. Your voice matters, and so do the voices around you.